Hi everyone, my name's Amy Boyd. I work with Julia and Bethany very, very closely, and I lead our AI developer relations team. So we focus a lot on some of those technologies that were listed in the JS-a-thon week. So Azure AI Foundry, Search, MCP, all these different things, and obviously building agents and almost into multi-agent architectures now. So I'm so excited to see what people have built. As we sit in developer relations, our role is very much to connect those who build our products to yourselves, so those who build with those products, and make sure that the usability, the innovation, the developer experience in general is a really, really positive one. Obviously, with our AI technologies, we're moving at the speed of light, it feels like. And so it's amazing to see the learning that will have happened each week during something like this. And, to have had that dedication, there's so much going on out there, having the guided path, but then be able to actually physically build something out of it, I think is just a fantastic way to learn at the moment, and something that we're finding a lot of developers are really resonating with. So I just want to say thank you first to everyone who got involved, built something, because that's, 50% of the way in some senses to making sure that you're making the most of these brand new exciting technologies and understanding what we can build with them, how they can help us as well.
So here we are. We did our inaugural JS Buildathon as a summer jam, and it was amazing. Julia and Bethany were our leads who work at Microsoft, and it's such an I think everybody else would agree. Such an amazing job putting this buildathon together. It consisted of 9 quests that basically walked us through all of the AI tools, and I just think that's just such an amazing opportunity to see what those tools were and how they work, and just build with AI.
It was amazing to see the demos. It was even better to kind of hear the pitch as to why. I love the why behind some of these AI projects, rather than just like, because I can, should I, in some senses. So some outstanding questions. One of the things I would love to just give like general feedback on for anyone who's pitching things around AI is consider not just what it does, but telling us like how well it's doing at that as well. So thinking more about like evaluations when it comes to agents, or thinking a little bit about how you can tell us that the quality of the output is great, because this is something people are obviously concerned about. So few little elements there. I can't wait to dig into some of the GitHub repositories as well, just to take a look at kind of what's going on in there. I hope you've all been using the tools that are available to you. I know I use a lot of things like GitHub Copilot nowadays to do that version 1 of like my documentation for a project like this, and then I go through like fine-tooth comb afterwards. So excited to take a little look. And yeah, presentation is all about storytelling, so bringing to life the problem, and the technology is always the tool in these situations. It's never the front and center. The front and center is.
So invite everybody to follow along on Discord, so you'll get the updates of when they announce the next Buildathon, and love to see you there. And it's got that hashtag JS-AI-Build-A-thon in that Discord. And then, like I said, you'll hear about it. And we just encourage, if you're a student ambassador, please consider being a troop leader. If you're anyone else, come join us if participation is open to all. Yes, it's the part of the AI Foundry Discord. So they have many, many different channels. And yes, like you said,
there is a lot going on in that.
And they also do lots of live streams. I know they have Model Mondays that they present.
Yes.
And there's sort of a series that goes on. So yeah, I invite everybody to go check out that Discord. Amy, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, expertise, and just commitment to supporting developers as we learn these tools and share our enthusiasm with others. And thank you to all the participants for your amazing work and being willing to sort of share live with us today or create a presentation that we could share. And to those who are watching, thank you so much for joining us, and we're excited to see what everybody builds. With that, We'll wrap it up.
See you soon.